Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to speed ramp in Davinci Resolve. So for those of you who don't know what speed ramping is, you just thought that it sounded cool, looks like this. Where you start off fast or slow and then ramp to the other one smoothly so that there's no hard cut, and then ramp back to wherever you started. So how are we going to do this? Well, first we're going to import some media. Alright, so here we have a clip of me flipping this knife open. We're going to go ahead and zoom in on this clip, and we're going to make that track a little taller, just so that we can see what we're working with here. And then we're going to hit Control R, or you can right click on it and click on Retime Controls right there. So we're going to move forward in our clip until we find a spot that looks like we're going to want things to slow down. So right about there, and then you click on this little down arrow, add a speed point, and then find the spot in your clip where you want things to speed back up. We'll say right there when the knife is fully extended. We'll add another speed point, and then in the middle here we're going to change this speed to 75%, and we're going to actually speed these up because I did shoot this in very slow motion to 400 on each side. Alright, so once you have those speed points set and you've got your speeds changed, that's really all there is to it. If you want to move these markers, you just grab this down here and you'll move your marker. And if you want to change your speed a little bit more drastically, so you can only go up to 800 here, but if you want to change it so that it's even faster, you grab this top one, push it closer, this way, and then we'll see we can zoom in again. Now it is significantly faster. You can slow it down by pulling that out, and we can speed it up by pushing it in. So that's all you have to do, really. That's speed ramping in Davinci Resolve.